Hey everyone, it's Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Today I am doing a piece that I was inspired to try by my A to Z Acrylic Pouring Smart Art Courses Facebook group. And one of the ladies in that group is Stacy James Edwards, and she posted a picture of a piece that she created, and I absolutely loved the color palette. She does not have a YouTube channel that I'm aware of anyway. It was just a beautiful picture that she had posted, and I took some inspiration from that and decided to try it out for myself. I have each of the colors popping up there as I add them, and I will also have them down in the description. And this piece turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Because I am painting over an old piece, it did crack in just, I think it was only one tiny little spot. So I was very pleased with that, because I was worried that there was too much paint left on the canvas. But I have a little tip that I show at the end on how to get paint off the canvas, especially when you're doing a Dutch pour where you can't tilt more off the canvas. It's a great little technique that works really well. So be sure to stay tuned for the wet results at the end, and you'll see what I do to get the excess paint off the canvas. I also have some serving trays that I have been working on as well, and I did a very similar layout with these exact same colors on a serving tray that I'm waiting for to cure, and then I will add a coat of resin. And the shimmer on this is really pretty. The Amsterdam greenish blue with the TLP pigments are just so sparkly. I am really excited to see how that looks with a coat of resin. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I sure would love if you would. Make sure that you hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I always love to hear what everyone thinks of my piece. As many of you know, I am a huge mental health advocate. I battle anxiety and depression, as well as panic attacks, and I'm currently off on mental health leave once again. I am a registered nurse. I work the front lines on a crazy medicine unit. Those of you who follow my channel know that, and with the recent loss of tWitch, Stephen Laurel Boss, it's just another reminder of how men's mental health needs to be a topic that we talk about. And it was I was so sad when I heard that he had passed away from suicide. I've been there, I know what that feels like, and it is something that is beyond words. So I will definitely be keeping him and his family in my thoughts and sending them light and love. Here is how I get the extra paint off my canvas. I'm just using a pipette and literally sucking it up from the places that I see are definitely overloaded with extra fluid. So give it a try. It's perfect. And And I would love it if you would help me hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently just over 800 and have set that as a goal to hit very soon. I would love, I'd be so excited when that happens. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would do that. And here we are with the up close wet results. Look at that shimmer. I love the pearl white. Adding it into any piece adds just that, like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a highlighted pop of sparkly goodness. And of course the TLP pigments added into the Greenish blue by Amsterdam. It's a transparent paint. So any transparent paint, you can add pigments to it to make them sparkle. If you try to do that with if you try and do that with an opaque paint, it will not work. The sparkle will just disappear. So give it a try sometime. Have a look at your paints and find which ones are your transparents and add in some pigments or some sparklies. So thank you again so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you made it this far, I would love if you would leave me some stars down below. Also leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this piece. Take care everyone, have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!